National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Putnam County and central Georgia until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Warfield, or near Eatonton, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
What the?
To submit reports of severe weather and flooding through the web by going to weather.gov/neglect. Weather advisory for northwestern Waterloo.
5.1.1.2.8. What the?
3.
What the heck?
At 4 p.m. in Athens,
What the heck?